Okay, what's up guys? Today we are playing something a little bit different, as you can tell. This is not VRFS, this is Animal Company! We're going to be playing with my friend Zach. He's been in a few VRFS videos as well. We're going to try and do the new toaster update. Spoiler alert, it's very hard. And subscribe if you want to see a part 2. See you at the end of the video. Bye! Okay, right, we're in with Zach. Hello. Hello, Zach. Okay, so we're gonna go beat the new boss, correct?
I don't even know what it is, but it's smooth.
Okay, let's go. So this way.
Apparently in here.
We are equipped with revolvers and grapple guns. Whoa. Oh no, it's a horror boss, isn't it?
Some of the material are metal, so you can't grapple on it.
Yeah. Where we gotta go?
Apparently
Hold up. Wait. Where are you?
it's meant to be a nuclear up there.
Ah.
Aha. Interesting.
Okay. I reckon it's probably going to be like a nuclear monster then, that's my bet.
Kindly remove your shoes.
Why does it say
My
we're doing...
stuff. You just suck the stuff off me.
we might...
Oh, maybe we have to. What's this? Oh, we need a key card. Let's find it.
Scan key card for admin.
We need a key card.
What's this little
Let's check all the
golden...
rooms.
What's this little golden gorilla for?
Let's see. Oh, I think you sell it. You get money.
Ah, good.
Oh, key
Okay.
card. Found it.
Already? Where? Oh yeah, in the corner.
Yeah.
Oh, that's disturbing. Why has it got legs?
Oh yeah.
I don't think that's right. Hold up.
Oh, that's a disc.
I wonder if you can put that in somewhere.
Right. Let's get our stuff back.
Whoa, that one miles.
How do I scan it?
Here.
Oh. Off. Oh. Now how do we get our stuff?
I don't think we do. I think we should have done that before we...
Oh, here.
Ah, we probably have to turn it off to get in here. Oh, that's yours. Do you want to see
I'm gonna put the key card in my bag. Let's go.
Now we can go through without being done. Okay, stage 1 complete. Probably a lot more to go. Oh, there's a lot of
I
room.
have.
I reckon it's this
What
way.
is down there?
I don't know, but I'm going to get on the ceiling.
Oh, is that a robot? Oh no, that's a green thing. Whatever this is. Ah.
Code room surveillance. Put another one in.
Okay, so this is some sort of bit we need to go to. I have no clue what that is. Oh, this is our fuel. We might need to get it all the way to the top. Oh, look, is this fuel? Look,
I think we need the power back on because it says no power over there.
Oh, that's like radioactivity.
Why does it
On
make
our
that
watch.
sound?
No, it's 6056. That might be a code
6056.
anywhere.
Remember that.
We will remember that. Oh, it's a shredder.
Shredder?
Wait, can I show something? Oh,
That was close!
you jumped in the shredder.
I was just like wall climbing out. I don't know what just happened. That was too close.
Oh, what was the code?
6059.
Oh, 6056. Ah.
Ooh! Too good!
Oh, I know.
Oh! Ah!
Ah!
Ah! Ah!
Oh, did you guys? Oh, I Jump on the ceiling.
Ow, that hurt my
Okay,
eyes.
be careful what thing you step on.
I might have to
What,
give a little epilepsy warning for that bit.
Oh god, is that a dog?
It's a robot dog. If I shoot it. Whoa, what the?
I don't know.
It said stop.
Climb up.
All the way to the top.
Okay. Not all the way to the top, we're just gonna see where we need to go.
Where did that robo dog go?
I know. Oh, just stay like on top of something. Oh, that's a big fall.
Whoa, I just lagged out.
That's a giant fall. Look down. Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
whoa! That is a big fall.
Alright, let's not fall down there.
Right, ready? Wait, I thought we were going down there.
Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Oh my god, snail! Pick it up.
What should I swap it for?
Just drop what?
Oh, thank you.
What?
It just gave me gold.
Cargo. Oh,
Whoa, that scared the life out of me. I dropped my Dracula. That
I've got
scared
it.
the absolute life
Run.
out of me. It said, why are you running? Stop. That just scared the absolute poop out of me. Bro, it's
oh,
full
is
of
that a
them.
wheel? Ah!
Yeah, I
Hold
saw
on.
that in there.
I see
in
a
there.
wheel.
Yeah,
I'm gonna.
it's inside there. Can you not see it?
Whoa! Do not go in that material, whatever that is. We've got to hold it. Oh, I don't remember where this goes.
Where?
I remember where this goes. Look.
See warning again, guys.
Oh, just grab from the top, it doesn't get you.
Ah!
Look, this thing.
What thing?
Oh, what is this?
Oh, this is what was on that computer. Oh, I keep lagging.
Oh my god, it was.
No! Oh! I'm
Oh my
survived.
god. Oh my days, that was close.
Wait, my nuclear meter went up a bit, I think. Woo!
Oh, what's this?
Okay.
Something's up here.
Oh, I feel like we're getting close to the main monster. You plug it in? Whoa.
My arm! Something happened. Okay, I'm gonna go back and find out what that is. Okay, I'm gonna try and click a button. Tell me if it spawns in anything, okay?
Okay.
Is anything like...
Yeah, like a green thing spawned in. Like a green canister.
Is there a blue one there?
Yes.
Did you say yes?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, put that blue one in C4, okay?
Okay, if I can figure out how to get these things working. Oh, I can go left and right as well. Joysticks.
Alright, I'm gonna spawn some more.
Okay, I found out how to work on. I'm just getting the blue one now.
Perfect.
Whoa, they just blew up! They just blew up!
I'm here. Oh, I did.
I don't know what's going on. They keep moving and blowing up.
Okay, leave them, but let me do it.
The blue one just got pushed off.
It's fine, it should spawn. Oh, it's right here.
Yeah, it got like pushed
Come,
off.
let me have a go.
Wait, oh no, I think I left my grapple. Okay. You've got red in the machine right now. So we need to find out where there needs to be a red.
Let's see where red goes, and then I'll...
Yeah. Okay, this is quite hard. So, yeah, it's gonna take a while, I think. So I'm probably gonna skip most of this, but Yeah, we can see.
F8 is where red is.
Right, so what number was red?
F8. Stand on F8.
Ah, aha.
Is it above you?
Yep, down. A bit this way. A bit that way. A bit towards me. Yeah, good, down. Woo!
Did it explode?
No, it just drops in. This is it here.
Perfect. We're doing something right. Follow me. Just keep going as high as you can. Just keep going up.
Okie dokie.
Hold on. Hold on.
Okay, where to once you're on the corridor?
Yeah, come. Okay. See how these have the special things?
Yeah.
That's green, that's blue,
this one here?
and that's yellow.
There's a red
Yeah,
one.
that's what we just done. See how it's not flashing anymore.
Oh, okay, so we need a green in C7.
C7, okay. I will plant it in there. Speak on radio.
C7.
Okay, what was it?
So green is in C7. Yep, and then blue in C4 and yellow in I4.
I put it in there.
Yep, just came up.
Okay, can you click on the
Yeah, I know what you're on about.
keypad in front of you with 4 different colours on it?
Yeah. What number? Blue, maybe?
Click the yellow one.
Okay. Clicked it.
Perfect, thank you. Okay, is there any more, wait.
There is a blue.
What ones are flashing?
Just a blue. I'm gonna send the blue through now.
Alright, perfect.
Did it come through?
No.
I'm clicking it, but it's not going through.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna get more fuel. I'm gonna look down here, come with me.
Okay, coming. I think we're right at the end. Like, this is the last bit before the fight, before we have to kill the boss, because the music really all changes when you come in here.
Be careful.
Okay. Say that on the radio, couldn't quite hear you.
There's a microwave.
Oh yeah. Oh, that was close.
I get it. I think I know why we have. Oh, we need to power up the microwave. Whoa. There's a big patch of thing there.
Oh good, yeah, I stood in it. I think I stood in that patch on the way up, way down too.
Okay, we need to look for fuel.
Say that again, I couldn't hear you.
We need to look.
Yeah, okay.
I can't see any fuel.
We might have failed.
No, I don't think we have. Ow. I need to decontaminate. I am turning bread.
Same. What all that through here?
Okay. Let's go back through it.
There might be some power in here, maybe. Oh, this is the robots.
It's fine. We've got to explore. So we can get the high ground. Okay, be careful of these gaps. There's quite a few. Alright. Okay, let's go in there. Oh, no, I think I see fuel.
Yeah, I think I see some.
Oh, there's a robot down there. There's a robot down there.
Oh, there's one of them. There's one of them eye things. There's one of them eye things.
There is?
Yeah. Right here. There's two of them. There's two of them.
Okay, I think this is the way back. Let's go back this way.
There's a robot this way.
I hear him. He's right there.
Where?
Alright, will
I heard him.
you see? Come. Oh, despawned. Oh no, he's right there.
Where?
Come.
Oh yeah. Shall I shoot him? Whoa! Stop doing that, man!
I'm your friend. Stop.
Ow! That's not. Whoa!
Come quick.
Oh, he's not
He's
working
there. His
anymore.
brother.
Is that
Pass me the
Shane?
gun. Let me try.
Why are you running? I'm your friend.
He's saying I'm your friend. Yeah, don't do nothing.
Stop. Friend here.
Shoot, you. Nah, don't worry.
We can have it.
So let me just find out something.
What? Right, it was at this point we realised that we might have broken the game because we could not find any power. We spent the next 30 minutes trying to find power but could not find anything. So I'm going to show you a bit of that.
We need to find fuel fast. Not fast,
I can't find any. Which room have you gone in?
I have got in. Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Yeah.
Hold on.
I wanna...
I assume you die if you go in.
No, don't die.
Jump. Oh.
It won't kill him, I don't think. I think we might have, like, broken the game. Oh, there's one there, right in the doorway. It just spawned. Damn.
I've got an idea. Why don't I go to a different server, get some thingy, get some more fuel. It might despawn because there's none here.
You wouldn't think that it wouldn't respawn. You'd think it would respawn.
Go to hop to a different server. I'll join back the code, okay?
I just want to take the chance while Zach is hopping servers just to ask you to like and sub. It really helps. And we're trying to get to 50 subscribers so I can live stream. So please help me out and hit that subscribe button, please. Right.
Okay, I hope this is enough.
With the goal, with the power. There we go. Ooh, there's the
Easy
power.
now.
There we go.
Right, let's quickly. Let's hope.
Oh, of course, up there.
Spawn in another one.
Is it through these double doors?
Okay. We had enough.
Woohoo!
Just read out the.
Yeah, we'll do.
Right.
It is C4.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it went through.
It went through. Okay, now let's go to that microwave thing. Come.
Coming. Is it through the reactor core?
It looks like a safe.
Yeah, I mean.
It looks like a safe.
I'm
Oh yeah, I forgot to speak.
Oh, you cheating little. Hold up, I just fell in the thing. Okay, where are you? Ah, see you.
To that wait.
Okay, I'm coming.
We'll answer him in a bit.
Okay, so we're gonna come through here. Nap.
You're in that. You're in that, don't worry.
Right. We are nearly done, guys. Finally.
We done it. We powered the...
We have done it.
What shall we put in the microwave?
I can't hear you, what?
What shall we put in the microwave?
Me! Actually, no,
Hold
no.
Wait, we'll put this... Shall we put this in there?
Yeah.
Alright. Go in there. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Okay.
We are
Go on.
about to finally complete, or I think complete, what we've been trying
Alright,
to do
go on.
for a while.
Wait, let me
we go.
shut this door.
In
How do
3,
I shut it?
in 2, in 1.
Go on.
It went.
Oh, we need to... Yeah, how would we do this? Hold on. Hold on, wait, we need to...
Oh, that drained a load of our power. That drained like
Okay, let's not do it anymore. How do we...
Oh, that put the power up. What?
Well, wait. Okay, but we need to shut the door.
I doubt it, but... Oh, we did!
Oh, it's working. Ah. Okay, stay shut. Okay,
Oh, and if you
ready?
it's not closing, it's not locking. It's just...
I'll try. Oh, it's only
Ah,
shut.
you've got to do it both hands, I think.
On? Yeah, you're right, okay. Oh no, it's...
I wonder if we've got to hold it shut. How do we keep this shut?
Wait. Okay, go slow, and hold it shut, There we are, okay.
Right,
Ready?
it keeps opening. Right, quickly go.
Ready?
Yeah. Here we are.
Door open, this is shut.
Here we go. Getting a good view.
How long are we doing it for? 10 seconds?
Yeah.
Ready?
Here we
is
go.
it still in there?
3, 2, 1.
It says the door's open still. Oh, wait, click it again. It still says open. This is, how do we lock it? Wait, we're on 100.
This is well confusing.
I don't know.
Oh, that looked like it's shut then. That looked like it's shut.
That's shut. If that's not shut, then I don't know what is. Huh?
So I'll do a bit of Googling.
We'll both do.
I think we've also got to put a weapon in there too, and it like upgrades it. So put something in there.
Where did the thing go?
What thing? I think it despawned.
Wait, try it with me in.
Is it shut?
Yeah, it's not open.
He said, it is said on the video, put this up a little bit. And
The door's
then
open.
put the, oh damn it, put the power to max and just, what is going on? Like there's a bunch of people commenting on videos like, how do I shut the door? And they just like run into it with an item. That, I think it might be a glitch, you know. Yeah, it just bounces back open. Okay guys, so I think we're going to leave it there. It's very hard. We can't get this stupid door to shut. If you have any suggestions on how to do it, or if you know how to do it, please let us know. It would be really helpful. And if we're going to do a part 2, like probably nearly 100% on trying to complete this.
You wanna play now?
And we're going to see if we can do it in part 2. So write down in the comments if you know how to do it. But we're gonna see you soon. So bye guys. Bye Zach.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.
We will do it next time, do not worry.